That was pretty funny. I almost grabbed your coffee and you almost grabbed mine.
Sorry, I was way too distracted by my phone. I didn't even hear the woman call my name. I just assumed it was mine.
Same here. But at least we figured it out. By the way, I'm Amanda. What's your name?
Amanda, I'm Pedro. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Pedro. So, how was your weekend?
It was pretty chill. I like to sleep in on weekends. I usually wake up around 10:30.
Oh, I wish I could do that. I'm usually up early. On weekends, I wake up around 7:30.
Wow, that's really early. What do you do with your mornings?
I like to get some exercise. I usually go for a run in the park near my house. It's nice and quiet.
That sounds awesome. I'm not much of a runner, though. I like to just relax in the mornings. What do you eat after your run?
I usually have fruit and scrambled eggs. Nothing fancy, but it's healthy.
Nice. I keep it simple, too. I usually just have coffee and some bread with butter.
Do you do anything for lunch on the weekends?
Saturdays are for hanging out with my friends. We play video games, listen to music, chill stuff. What about you?
I always have lunch with my family on Saturdays. We've made it a tradition to eat together every week.
That's really nice. I don't see my family much on Saturdays. On Saturday nights, I always order pizza. How about you?
I love pizza. I usually get mozzarella. It's my favorite.
I'm all about pepperoni and cheese. Can't go wrong with the classic.
That's true. What do you do on Sundays?
Sundays are all about soccer for me. I just watch games all day.
I don't watch much soccer, but I like to go to the mall with my friends on Sundays. We get ice cream, hang out, and chat.
I like doing stuff like that too, but I just can't pull myself away from the games.
I get it. Everyone has their thing.
So, do you always run in the park on weekends?
Yes, I try to. It's a good way to get some fresh air and helps me feel better for the rest of the day.
I think I should start doing something like that. Maybe I'll join you one morning.
I'd love that. It'd be fun to have some company on my run.
Sounds good, but I'll warn you, I might be a bit slow.
That's totally fine. It's all about having fun and getting moving.
You're right. Maybe I'll try waking up a little earlier.
If you do, let me know. I'll be ready for our run. It was really nice meeting you, Pedro. I'd love to chat more, but I've got to run now. I've got an appointment I need to get to.
I totally understand, Amanda. It was great meeting you, and I hope your appointment goes well. Let's talk again soon.
For sure. Take care, Pedro.